What's up, guys? Biker Dave here in a 2013 Ford Focus ST. And if you have a Ford with a manual transmission, could be a few different models of Fiesta ST, Focus ST, Focus RS, maybe some of the Mustangs also. If you just bought one and you've driven plenty of manual transmission cars and you see the pattern on it here, okay, I see how to go in reverse. And you try to push it over and up into reverse and it just does not want to go in. Here's one thing you're forgetting that you may not be aware of. You have to pull up on that right there. Pull up on it, then go over and up. Now you're in reverse. So it's that little thing right there that nobody tells you. I mean, of course, if you read your owner's manual, it may say it, but I've never had a car that had that thing right there to get in reverse. And that's it. We got other videos about this car. Really cool car, gets almost 30 miles per gallon, really fun to drive, 2-liter turbo, lots of upgrades and mods you can put on these. Totally fun little car. I highly recommend it. Now, it's not a perfect car. They need a little bit excessive maintenance because they are considered partially high performance. So, they're not perfect, but they're totally fun. You can get them pretty cheap. So, yeah, if you find one that's already had, maintenance and stuff done to it, I highly recommend it. So, check it out. We got over 2,000 videos on our channel of all kinds relating to cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, go-karts, golf carts, motocross bikes, Harleys, all kinds of cool stuff. So, check it out. And if our video saved your life, make sure you click the thanks button. You'll see it underneath the video screen. And please shoot us a donation. We really appreciate it. And make sure you do that with any monetized YouTube channel if that video really helps you out. You'll have a great day. We'll see you.